Spectrum Mobile iPhone Unlocking Requirements Overview. Want to use your Spectrum Mobile iPhone on another carrier? Unlocking it is the key. As of September 2025, the process is more streamlined than ever, thanks to FCC regulations. To unlock your Spectrum Mobile iPhone, you need to meet a few key requirements. First, your iPhone must be fully paid off with no outstanding balances. Next, the device needs to have been active on your Spectrum Mobile account for at least 60 days. Also, your iPhone's IMEI, which is its unique identifier, must be clean, meaning it's not reported as lost, stolen, or associated with any fraudulent activity. Finally, your Spectrum Mobile account must be in good standing, with no violations of their terms of service. Meeting these requirements is essential for a smooth unlocking process. Once you meet the requirements, the unlocking process is straightforward. Start by verifying your iPhone's eligibility using Spectrum's online unlock checker. Just enter your IMEI and account details. If eligible, log into your Spectrum account portal, provide the IMEI again, and submit your unlock request. After approval, you'll receive a confirmation email with instructions. Usually, this involves inserting a new SIM card from your desired carrier and following the prompts on your iPhone to complete the unlock. As for future trends, expect unlocking to become even easier. Automation and AI integration will likely speed up the verification process. Plus, with the rise of eSIMs, digital carrier switching will become more common, reducing the need for physical SIM unlocks. The future of unlocking is all about convenience and flexibility for consumers.